That's what I'm talking about!
Okay, here we go with a look at the Dead Ringer Widowmaker 1.5 to 6 by 32 scope. In this video, I'll give you a close look at the scope and show you what it looks like being shot out at the range. Dead Ringer makes some fiber optic sights for shotguns, is what mostly I've seen them manufacture, and they have this scope here, and boy, I really like the reticle for this. It's almost like an enlarged EOTech sight with the capacity to drop your magnification all the way down to 1.5. You can really come close to shooting close quarters with both eyes open. And my favorite feature of this scope is the fact that if your battery dies, unlike a red dot, your reticle doesn't just disappear and it's gone and it's done until you get a new battery in. It's a physical black reticle that has an optional red illumination. Like a lot of red dots, it's got illumination settings from 1 through 7 and 0 shutting it off. Here's a focus with your indications for negative and positive. And you've got your dial for your magnification from 1.5 to 6. And then you also have an adjustment for your yardage, marked from 10 yards to 150 yards and beyond. With all three of those adjustment points, this scope really can dial in a nice clean picture. Now with that being said, it is still an overseas made optic, and it's not going to compete with your higher end American made optics. Towards the edge of your viewing field, it kind of has like a fishbowl kind of effect a little bit. It doesn't really affect my shot, and I still like the sight picture and the reticle, but it is something that you notice. It's fully adjustable for windage in elevation. You simply pull up on your turret, make your proper adjustment, and press it back down to lock it in place. Click value is 1/2 inch at 100 yards. So this is what it looks like set up on a Ruger 1022. Let me give you a brief look at what it looks like being fired out at the range. Gotta love 1022s. I like this scope. Alright, well, there is a simple close look at the Dead Ringer Widowmaker 1.5 to 6 by 32 scope. It's a big world out there, and we're bound to run into a shady situation. Until then, keep your gear on you.